Hello, welcome friends. In this video, we will explore the beautiful world of jute and burlap, X-Max wreath, door wreath, rustic, natural, and full of cozy, festive charm. If you love handcrafted designs that brings mindfulness and warmth into your home, this video is for you. Each wreath you will see today is more than decoration. It's a piece of art that reflects patience, love, and creativity. So grab your jute rope, a little burlap, some pine cones, and let's begin this calming crafting journey. Rustic crafts have a special magic. They connect us back to nature and simplicity. Using jute and burlap give us your Christmas decor and organic and timeless appeal. These materials blend perfectly with pine cones, greenery, and candles, creating a cozy farmhouse that never goes out of style. As you start crafting, remember to breathe slowly, enjoy the texture of the fabric, and let your hands move with calm intention. That's the beauty of mindful crafting. It's not about perfection, it's about peace and presence. Start by forming your wreath base. You can use a wiring or an old cardboard circle or even a wooden hoop. Wrap it with jute rope or burlap strips, securing the ends with a glue gun. Next, add layers of greenery, pine branches, eucalyptus, or artificial leaves. Tuck in pine cones, small ornaments, cinnamon sticks, and red berries for their perfect X-Mix glow. To finish, tie a beautiful bow using red plaid ribbons or a rustic burlap bow for a natural touch. Each design can be customized, minimalist farmhouse, or even glam with gold hints. As you craft, notice how every small detail slows your mind. The scent of pine, the feel of twine, the sounds of gentle wrapping. Each step can calm your thoughts and lift your spirit. Mindfulness is in crafting is a form of therapy. It teaches patience and presence. Every time you create a wreath, you are not just decorating a door, you are decorating your life with peace. So take your time, let creativity flow naturally, and allow your heart to guide your hands. Once your wreath is ready, place it on your front door, fireplace, mantel, and or dining wall. Add small fairy lights for a soft evening glow. You can even hang mini jute ornaments or handmade stars inside the wreath for extra charm. These jute wreaths are eco-friendly, affordable, and reusable, making them a perfect sustainable decor choice. They also make thoughtful, handmade gifts, each one carrying the warmth of your effort and love. Crafting together with family or friends can create beautiful memories too. Imagine laughter, creativity, and togetherness, the true essence of Xmas. And there you have it, a beautiful handcrafted jute and burlap X-Max wreath filled with heart, holiday joy. In this video inspired you, don't forget to like. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like to craft for very creative crafting ideas. For more DIY home decor and mindful crafting ideas, let's keep spreading creativity, calmness, and festive. Love this season. Remember, handmade means heart made. Stay creative, stay peaceful, and have a magical holiday. Hope you like these designs and ideas. We are trying to bring that amazing and unique creation for everyone who wants to do something special. And there you have it, a truly beautiful handcrafted jute and burlap X-Max wreath. Made with love, patience, and creativity, each piece of jute, every pine cone, and every ribbon tells a story. Your story of care, attention, and joy. When you hang your health wreath on your door, you are not just decorating for Xmas, you are inviting peace, gratitude, and warmth into your home. How caring you are. Take a moment to step back and admire your work. Feel proud you didn't just make something beautiful, you made something mindful and meaningful. Thank you for crafting along with us. May your days be merry, your heart be peaceful, and your home shine with joy, creativity, and gratitude. Gratitude from all of us, from our channel. Happy holiday, and stay